Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to watch and support this video. Huge shout out to Tudia for sending me a case for my LG G7, the Tudia Merge Matte Black. Appreciate their continuing support here on my Project 13. They've been around for quite some time and I really appreciate their partnership and allowing me to review cases for all of you, giving you the opportunity to bring in not just great looking cases, but great protection for your investment. And in this video, we're talking about the LG G7. Also, I have a Poetic tempered glass screen protector on my G7. So we're gonna make sure that these two products, tempered glass screen protector and the Tudia case, will work together. I've had no issues so far with any cases that I have brought in since bringing in the G7. And today we're gonna make sure that that's the same with the Tudia Merge Matte Black. As always, I will be leaving a link down below in the description. And when you hit that link, take you right over to Amazon Prime, LG G7 case, Tudia Merge series, heavy duty extreme protection, rugged, dual layer, slim, precise cutouts, phone case for the G7. You get 4 color choices here, all $8.95. I have the matte black. The other choices, metallic slate, mint, and rose gold. And if you scroll down below, you're going to see a lot more information, so please read everything before you order. Ultra slim, lightweight, raised lip protection. Some added information right there on the front of this nice and simple presentation. Let's go ahead and get into the package, get a better look at this case from Tudia. The Merge Matte Black feels very, very nice. Got some grip on the side there. You can see that ridged area on both sides of this dual layer case. Got some more information in here too. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Dual layer protection. We'll separate these two pieces. The inner part, TPU, nice and flexible. And you have the polycarbonate back. Tudia Merge, www.tudiaproducts.com, designed in the USA. Now, for those of you that just can't seem to hang on to your device, this is the kind of case that you really want on a device like the LG G7. Got a lot of glass going on the back and the front. Yeah, some added extra protection. Tudia Merge LG G7. The Merge is built with a dual layer design, fusing a premium quality polycarbonate outer shell with an enhanced thermoplastic polyurethane TPU inner case. The Merge case incorporates the best of both worlds, offering a slim, lightweight, and form-fitted protection with the TPU and a certified military drop-tested hard outer shell with the polycarbonate outer layer. And there are ways to follow Tudia: Facebook.com, Tudia Products, Instagram, and Twitter at Tudia Products. And some more information on the inside. I'll just leave it right here. You can put the video on pause and read all of that. And we're going to do a walkthrough, make sure the case works with the G7 and the Poetic tempered glass screen protector that I have on there. So far, no issues with any cases that I have brought into review with the G7 and that Poetic tempered glass screen protector. And you can put the video on pause again and read all of that information. Very nice. I love the way that not only are they giving you a description of what this case is going to do for the G7, but they're giving you some pictures to be able to visually view what you're reading in this little pamphlet here. So totally stoked on that. So we're going to take this beautiful LG G7 and we're going to turn it off and we're going to slide it in to the Tudia Merge case, and that just looks sexy. There is a little dip right in here, so we're going to make sure that the camera will take great pictures with this case on it and there'll be no shadowing. So we're going to test that area. As far as the fingerprint reader, really nice and quick there. Power button, Works great. Nice and responsive. Fingerprint reader again. Nice. And volume rocker. Nice. Going to turn that all the way down. Very nice. We'll turn it off. And we're going to test to make sure that the device will charge wirelessly with the Tudia Merge matte black case on. And just like that, no issues whatsoever. We'll do that again. And just like that. Awesome. You have your speaker cut out here, your mic cut out there, your headphone jack area there, and your USB Type-C port there. So I have a third-party USB Type-C charging cable here, and we want to make sure that there's enough space in there. And we'll turn that off again. That meaning the G7. And there you go. Charging very nicely. Up top, you have another mic. This is a beautiful, beautiful looking case. Volume rocker covered up there along with your Google Assistant button there that I don't use. I just forget it's there. Power button all covered up. So everything nice and protected. The cutouts shouldn't have any issues with that area there. Visually, I do these videos when reviewing anything to make sure you at least get to see some hands-on and a better look at whatever product it is that I'm reviewing. And as far as this case from Tudia, the Merge dual layer, great protection, looks great, feels great. Here's the other thing that I want to show you. There is no issues with the Poetic Tempered Glass Screen Protector coming up. On the sides, on the corners, nothing. So everything working great. Tudia brand name on the back there. And we're going to take a picture. Make sure we have no shadowing. I have a filter going on. We're going to turn that filter off. Okay, a non-wide angle pick. And then we're going to take one wide angle. Okay. And let's turn on my rotation, get it into landscape. And as you can see, there's no shadowing whatsoever, so everything looking good there. And as far as without the wide angle, everything looking great there as well. So, the Tudia Merge matte black dual layer heavy duty protection passes the My Project 13 walkthrough test review. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. Till my next video. Again, shout out to Tudia for sending me this case for all of you. Link down below in the description. I'm out.